Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the secrets to living a long, healthy, and fulfilling life. Today, we're shining a spotlight on an extraordinary group, those aged 65 to 80 who are still thriving in remarkable ways. If you're in this age range and can still do certain things, you're a rare gem, potentially destined to live to 100. What does it take to earn that title? It's not about superhuman feats, but rather simple, consistent habits that keep your body strong, your mind sharp, and your spirit vibrant. In this video, we'll explore 5 key areas that define these rare gems: staying physically active, keeping mentally engaged, maintaining social connections, living a healthy lifestyle, and prioritizing regular health checkups. By the end, you'll have a practical roadmap to not only extend your years but make them some of your best yet. Let's dive in. Physical activity is the bedrock of longevity, and for those between 65 and 80, it's less about intensity and more about consistency. You don't need to run marathons or bench press your body weight. Simple, enjoyable movements can work wonders. Take walking, for instance. A brisk 30-minute stroll each day can boost your heart health, lift your mood, and even sharpen your thinking. It's low impact, requires no fancy equipment, and can be done anywhere, around your neighborhood, in a park, or even at the mall. If walking isn't your thing, consider swimming, which is gentle on the joints while giving you a full-body workout. Picture yourself gliding through the water, feeling weightless yet strong. It's a fantastic option if arthritis or stiffness is a concern. Yoga is another gem, blending flexibility, balance, and calm breathing to keep you steady on your feet and centered in your mind. Falls are a big worry as we age, but yoga can help prevent them, keeping you independent longer. The trick is to find something you love. Maybe it's dancing to your favorite tunes, tending a garden, or playing with grandkids, and aim for at least 30 minutes most days. This keeps your muscles toned, your joints limber, and your heart pumping strong, all essential for a long life. Next up is mental stimulation, because a sharp mind is just as crucial as a fit body. If you're 65 to 80 and still tackling brain teasers like crossword puzzles or Sudoku, you're already on the right track. These games aren't just fun, they flex your problem-solving skills and keep memory loss at bay. Ever thought about learning a new language? It's like a gym session for your brain, boosting cognitive power while opening doors to new cultures. Imagine ordering coffee in Italian or chatting with a French pen pal. Reading keeps your mind humming too. Dive into a gripping mystery or a thought-provoking biography and let your imagination soar. But don't stop there. Pick up a new hobby to really shake things up. Painting can unleash your creativity, strumming a guitar can soothe your soul, or growing herbs can connect you to nature. Even small habits, like calculating tips in your head or reminiscing about old times, keep those neurons firing. The goal is to challenge yourself daily, staying curious and engaged to fend off cognitive decline. Social connections are the heartbeat of a happy, healthy life, especially as we get older. If you're still making time for friends, family, or new acquaintances, you're doing something powerful. Isolation can creep in after 65, but staying connected fights off loneliness and keeps your spirit bright. Call a sibling, visit a neighbor, or set up a video chat with your grandkids. Those little moments add up. Joining a group can be a game changer too. Think book clubs where you debate the latest novel, gardening circles where you swap tips, or exercise classes where you laugh and sweat together. Volunteering is pure gold. Helping at a food pantry, tutoring kids, or pitching in at a local event gives you purpose and a crew to share it with. These bonds aren't just feel good. They lower stress, boost mood, and even strengthen your immune system. So, keep those ties strong or weave new ones. It's a secret weapon for living to 100. A healthy lifestyle ties it all together, and it starts with what's on your plate. If you're eating plenty of fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins, you're fueling your body right. Think colorful salads, hearty oatmeal, or grilled chicken, foods packed with vitamins to keep you ticking. Skip the processed junk and sugary treats. They can inflame your system and drag you down. Drink water like it's your job. Staying hydrated keeps everything running smoothly. Sleep is non-negotiable too. Aim for 7 to 8 hours a night. A good snooze repairs your body, sharpens your mind, and wards off illness, while skimping on it can leave you foggy and frail. Stress can chip away at your years, so tame it with deep breaths, a quiet meditation, or a cozy hobby like knitting or fishing. Ditch smoking if you haven't already, and go easy on the wine. Moderation is your friend. These choices build a foundation that lets you thrive well into your later years. Finally, regular checkups are your safety net. If you're seeing your doctor yearly, getting your blood pressure checked, or keeping up with screenings, you're a step ahead. Catch issues like high cholesterol or early cancer before they grow, and you've got a better shot at a long life. Vaccines matter. Flu shots and pneumonia jabs can shield you from nasty bugs. Got diabetes or a heart condition? Stick to your doc's plan like glue. Listen to your body too. If something's off, don't wait, get it checked. This proactive streak is what makes you a rare gem, keeping you healthy and humming along. If you're 65 to 80 and still moving, thinking, connecting, eating well, and checking in with your doctor, you're not just surviving, you're shining. These habits don't demand perfection, just persistence. Start small if you need to, a short walk, a puzzle, a phone call, a better meal, a quick appointment. Every choice stacks the deck in your favor, paving the way to 100 and beyond. You're a rare gem because you're still doing this, and that's worth celebrating. Here's to a long, vibrant life. You've got this.